I've got a box of 25-26 Flair hockey. I'm super excited for this. I've never, ever in my life opened it. But we are going to crack into this and find out what it has to offer us today. So we should be getting 4 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. I think there's 4 numbered parallels and 5 inserts. There is no Matthew Schaefer autographs in this. But you can get Demidov, you can get Matthew Nyes, you can get Connor McDavid, you can get Bedard. Oh, Celebrini, Ovi. There's a few different checklist autos that I wouldn't mind getting. But I would assume autos are kind of few and far between. Can we have our packs of cards, please? Definitely saving this box to go up on the wall of shame. And let's get into this. It's a slick, blacked out pack. I like it. I think the cards are like an acetate type thing. Oh, they are. They're right. There's something like poking out the side. So we got a Jacob Slavin. Oh, they're kind of like thick. We got a Connor Ziri. And a Logan Cooley. I don't know what's stuck to this. Oh. I think, is his stick supposed to be like part of it, or did it break off? It kind of looks like it broke off. Dmitry Simishev, Wave of the Future. That's kind of a cool card, but I'm sad if his stick was supposed to be there. I've never had Upper Deck replace something before. All right, what do we have in this pack? Oh, jeepers. We got a 3-on-1 breakaway. Is that the only card in the pack? Of Dylan Gunther for the Utah Mammoth. That is actually kind of cool. Nice. 3-on-1 breakaway. I don't want to see the back card, so I'm going to try to open it like this. And we've got a who, what, and a where. We got a Vincent Torchek. That's something green. We got a Braden Point. Oh, we got a Donovan Sabrango. Green. Oh, so it's numbered 208 to 349. I don't know if I've missed numbered cards, but there's a Ben Kindle. Sorry, I'm just going to take a quick peek at the rest of these to make sure I didn't miss any numbered cards. No, we're good. We are good. All right. This is actually kind of, I've only opened 3 packs, but it's fun. I don't want to see the back card. Don't want to see it. All right. Who are you? We got a Kilry Marchenko. We got Artyom Leshkinov. Leshkinin? Leshkonin. What is this? We got a Brandon Montour. I don't know what that is. Whatever it is, it's numbered 10 to 93. kind of a different looking card. It's kind of cool. And on the back, we've got Roy Kearns. Last pack in our first stack here. Who is in here? We got a Nick Foligno. They're kind of sticking together here. Ooh, there we go. We got a Easton Cowan. That's going to be like that other card, so hopefully it's number 8 out of 93. Oh, that's the throwback to the 1993 year. We got Austin Matthews and Jack Finley to finish that pack off. Actually, that feels a little thick. Let's hold off on that guy. I could be very wrong. But we got a Cutter Gauthier. Yeah, I'm just going to say it how I normally say it. I don't know what that is. We'll save that for last. We got Elias Pettersson and Alexander Nikishkin. They are actually taking on the Montreal Canadiens right now. So we got a hot hands of Cole Perfetti. And are they numbered? 32 of 32. Cool. That 3-on-1 breakaway card was super cool looking. Hopefully we pull something else like that. Might have to get another box of this. This has been super fun. We got a Travis Konechny. We got a Brady Tkachuk. We've got a rare breed of Lane Hudson. That's a nice card. Holy. Number 6 of 8. I like how they, like, if that's the numbering on it, I like that. And we got a Tom Wilson to finish our pack off. I think that is the, because unless it's the numbering of that set, but I think it might be the print run of the card. I'm sure somebody knows. I don't. We got a Matthew Brazel. We can't talk. Oh, we'll save that. We got a Dmitry Simichev and a Jack Eichel. Let's see what's behind Barzell here. Ooh, the Ted Lindsay Award Trophy Room, Nathan McKinnon. That's a nice card. I like the border work and stuff on it. All right, 2 packs left. One of them feels thicker than the other. Unless I'm drunk. I could be drunk. I've worked very hard this week. Do we have a Matthew Schaefer card in here? We got a Jesper Bratt. We got a Jonathan Marchessault. We got a card stuck here. It's a green of Anze Kopitar. So 273 or 272 out of 349. It says forecheck on there. And we got another Donovan Sabrango. All right, last pack. Maybe it doesn't feel thicker. I thought it did, but I don't think it. Nah, I don't think it is. We got a Rasmus Dahlin. We got a Charlie McAvery. And we got another 93 throwback of Cutter Gauthier. what that is. And a Zane Perrick. What is this? Scoring power of Tage Thompson. That's a nice looking card too. Holy. All right, let's do a little recap here and see how we did. All right, so we got an Anze Kopitar and a Donovan Sabrango. I believe these are 4 checks. That's what it says right there, but they're numbered to 349. We got a Hot Hughes of Cole Perfetti. I don't know if that's numbered or not. Yeah, it is. That's the 32 of 32. And we got a scoring power of Tage Thompson. He's not scoring right now. He got bounced by this guy's team. A rare breed of Lane Hudson. And that is numbered 6 of 8. And we got a Ted Lindsay Award Trophy Room of Nathan McKenna. And one of these throwback to 93 cards. We got a Brandon Montour and an Easton Cowan. That one's definitely going in the collection. It's number 8 out of 93. And we did happen to pull one of these Wave of the Future card. I'm not 100% sure if that's supposed to be like that. It kind of feels like it was broke off, but I might do some research and find out. And I would say the top hit card we got is this 3-on-1 breakaway of Dylan Gunther. That is a super cool card. It's like 3-layered plexiglass something. I don't know. Super cool. I really like that. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you all. Everybody, stay safe. Peace.